Vertical Response Email Marketing Tool Review. Usage Experience. Links to Vertical Response are in the description below. In this video, I'll be reviewing Vertical Response, an email marketing tool designed for small businesses, nonprofits, and marketers who need a simple yet effective platform to create, send, and analyze email campaigns. It's particularly useful for those who want automation, responsive templates, and strong reporting features without dealing with a complex learning curve. One of the biggest advantages of Vertical Response is its drag-and-drop email editor, which allows users to create professional-looking emails quickly, even without design experience. It provides a variety of responsive email templates, ensuring that messages display perfectly on desktop and mobile devices. The platform also includes an HTML editor for users who prefer custom coding. Automation is a key feature, allowing businesses to set up autoresponders, drip campaigns, and follow-up emails. This is especially useful for nurturing leads and engaging with customers over time. Vertical Response also offers list segmentation, enabling users to send highly targeted campaigns based on subscriber behavior, demographics, or past interactions. This improves email open rates and overall effectiveness. Another highlight is A/B testing, which helps users optimize subject lines and content for better performance. Additionally, Vertical Response provides real-time analytics with insights on open rates, click-through rates, and overall campaign engagement, allowing for data-driven improvements. The platform integrates with CRM tools, social media, and e-commerce platforms, making it a flexible choice for businesses that need seamless connections with their existing marketing stack. It also offers a built-in landing page builder, which is great for capturing leads and increasing conversions. Vertical Response is known for its strong email deliverability, ensuring that messages reach inboxes instead of spam folders. Customer support is available via email and chat, making it easy for users to get help when needed. While it may not have the advanced AI-powered automation of some high-end tools, its combination of ease of use, automation, and strong deliverability makes it a great choice for businesses looking for a reliable email marketing solution. If you're looking for a user-friendly and effective email marketing tool, Vertical Response is worth considering. Check out the links in the description for more details.